How to draw a beehive, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a big branch that will be going from left to right across the top of our page. This will be holding our beehive. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now let's draw two leaves that are attached to these two endpoints on the right side of our branch. Now attached to the bottom of the branch, we're going to draw three leaves, which will also be attached to the beehive. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Next, on the inside of each of the leaves that we just drew, we're going to draw a small curvy line for detail. Nice, so far making great progress. Now attached to those three leaves, let's go ahead and draw the outline of our beehive. You will notice that when I draw the outline of my beehive, I'll go back and forth just to make sure that each of the sides are the same or similar in length. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below, and at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Fantastic! Now on the inside of the beehive, we're going to want to draw curvy lines going from left to right. In total, we should have 6 curvy lines that we draw. Well done. Now in the center of the beehive, we're going to draw a circle and fill it in completely black. This will be the opening. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Now next, right above in the branch, we're going to draw some small lines for detail. This is how to draw a beehive. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because I upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.